Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to test checkout in Shopify. So in order to do this, just you have to go to setting and now here find the checkouts. Just click here. Now here you can find all the options how to test checkout. So just simply you can customize all these options one by one. So this is just the testing mode. So after that, just scroll down and go to the checkout language. So now we will move to checkout language page. So here you can also fill all these blank spaces in order to do checkouts. So this is just testing mode, so you don't need to fill it. So carefully read all these steps and fill it one by one. So in this way you can easily test checkout in Shopify.